For years, eggs have been at the center of a heated debate. Some say they're a breakfast staple packed with nutrition, while others warn they could raise cholesterol and harm heart health. So what's the real story? Are eggs bad for your heart? Should we be avoiding them? Or are they actually good for us? Today, we're breaking down the science to separate fact from fiction so you can make informed choices about including eggs in your diet. Let's rewind to 1961. Researcher Ansel Keys proposed that saturated fats and dietary cholesterol were the primary causes of heart disease. This idea quickly became widely accepted, even though later studies challenged it. Fast forward to today, and many experts are re-examining the link between dietary cholesterol, saturated fat, and heart disease. The conversation has shifted, and newer research suggests that the connection isn't as straightforward as once believed. One key study that changed the narrative was the 2004 Rotterdam study. Researchers found that people who consumed more eggs, cheese, butter, and liver, all foods high in cholesterol, actually had lower rates of heart disease. Why? Because these foods appeared to reduce calcium buildup in the arteries. When arteries harden due to calcium deposits, a condition called arterial calcification, it increases the risk of heart disease. The Rotterdam study suggested that high cholesterol foods might not be as harmful as once thought. Then there's the French paradox. Despite consuming butter, cheese, and other fatty foods regularly, the French have lower rates of heart disease compared to other countries. This contradicts the idea that dietary cholesterol is a direct cause of cardiovascular problems. Another surprising fact? About 50% of people who suffer heart attacks have normal cholesterol levels. That means something else is at play beyond just high cholesterol numbers. So, if cholesterol isn't the main villain, what should we focus on? The answer lies in oxidized cholesterol. Oxidation happens when free radicals, unstable molecules in the body, damage cholesterol, making it more likely to stick to artery walls and cause inflammation and plaque buildup. This can lead to narrowed arteries and increase the risk of heart disease. Factors that contribute to oxidized cholesterol include smoking, a diet high in processed foods and trans fats, chronic stress, and exposure to pollution. Instead of worrying about total cholesterol, the focus should be on reducing oxidation and inflammation. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition looked at what happens when people eat 3 eggs per day. The study involved 28 overweight men following a low-carb diet, with half of them also consuming 3 eggs daily. Both groups improved their metabolic health, but the egg eaters got an extra benefit. They increased their HDL, good cholesterol. HDL plays a key role in heart health because it removes excess cholesterol from the bloodstream and helps the liver process it. This means eggs may actually support a healthy cholesterol balance, rather than harm it. Eggs are often called a complete food because they contain almost everything your body needs in a small, nutrient-dense package. High-quality protein, essential for muscle growth, tissue repair, and overall strength. Healthy fats, support brain function, hormone production, and vitamin absorption. Omega-3 fatty acids, reduce inflammation, and improve heart health. Vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, vitamin D, iron, zinc, and selenium, all crucial for energy, immunity, and healthy bones. Choline, an essential nutrient for brain function, liver health, and cell membranes. Many people don't get enough choline, and eggs are one of the best dietary sources. Lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants that protect eye health and reduce the risk of vision problems like macular degeneration. That's an impressive list of benefits from such a simple food. So, do all eggs offer the same benefits? Well, not all eggs are created equal. The quality of eggs depends on how the hens are raised. Pasture-raised or free-range eggs contain higher omega-3 fatty acids, more vitamin D, and increased levels of antioxidants. In contrast, caged eggs from hens raised in confined spaces with limited movement tend to have lower nutritional value and higher inflammatory markers. A 2019 study showed that the way animals are raised directly impacts the nutritional quality of the food they produce. Simply put, choosing eggs from hens that roam freely and eat a natural diet makes a real difference in the health benefits you get. Another important factor is how eggs are prepared. Some cooking oils, especially vegetable oils like soybean, corn, and canola oil, can become oxidized when heated, leading to inflammation. Instead, try these healthier cooking methods: boiling or poaching. No added oils, just pure nutrition. Scrambling with extra virgin olive oil, a heart-friendly option. Cooking with butter from grass-fed cows, a better alternative to processed oils. By avoiding heavily processed oils, you can enjoy your eggs in a way that supports heart health. So, are eggs good or bad for your heart? After looking at the research, here's what we know. Eating eggs in moderation is unlikely to increase heart disease risk, and might even be beneficial. Cholesterol itself isn't the problem. Oxidized cholesterol and inflammation are bigger concerns. Eggs provide essential nutrients that support brain health, vision, and metabolism. Choosing high-quality eggs from pasture-raised hens gives you more health benefits. And the way you cook eggs matters. Avoid oxidized oils and opt for gentle cooking methods. Eggs can absolutely be part of a heart-healthy diet when sourced and prepared correctly. Eggs used to get a bad rap for their high cholesterol content, but new research shows that, in moderation, they can be a total nutritional powerhouse. They're packed with top-notch protein, essential vitamins, and healthy fats that are all-star supporters of muscle health, brain function, and overall wellness. And the latest finds suggest that the cholesterol from eggs doesn't really affect blood cholesterol levels all that much for most people. If you're an egg lover, no need to cut them out. Just opt for high-quality sources like pasture-raised or organic eggs. Pair them with other nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, whole grains, and avocados to get the most health benefits. Cooking them in heart-healthy oils like olive oil will boost their nutritional value even more. Hope you found this info helpful. If so, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life. Share this video with friends and family too. It really helps us out and lets us keep creating valuable content. Also, be sure to check out our merch store for some cool products. And if you'd like to show some extra love, leave a super thanks. It helps us keep the channel going and bringing you valuable content. Got a topic you'd like us to cover next? Let us know in the comments. We love getting ideas from our community. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.